Artificial eggs from China have flooded markets in left-ruled Kerala. Usually, Reds in Kerala look to China for inspiration from Mao to markets. But artificial eggs saw many Keralites go red with rage. These eggs had a coating of plastic and contained a cocktail of dangerous substances like starch, organic acid and calcium chloride. Eggs found even in upmarket supermarkets were found to be artificial and imported from China. This had many fuming. Some even broke the eggs to show the plastic content. How to identify artificial eggs? Plastic or artificial eggs look normal but are hard to break. When boiled, the egg yolk gets harder and will be like rubber ball. If you light the shell, the egg white, it will burn just like plastic. And that taste, definitely not like normal eggs. These are reportedly coming from Tamil Nadu. A normally vigilant health department is yet to issue a statement or even a caution on Chinese eggs. Earlier, plastic rice had flooded Kerala markets. That too came from China. So next time you buy rice or eggs, be careful.